Good morning students. Today's topic is equivalent mass or equivalent weight part 2, chapter 1, class 11th. Last time in previous lecture I have told you about equivalent mass. What do you understand by equivalent mass? And I have given its definition that number of parts by mass or number of parts by mass of any substance which displaces or combines with the 1.008 parts by mass of hydrogen, 8 parts by mass of oxygen and 35.5 parts by mass or weight of chlorine. Correct? इक्विवेलेंट मास की डेफिनेशन मैंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझाई थी. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू वेरी in proper way and with the examples. I have given some examples for this and I think you have understood that what I mean to say. What is equivalent weight or equivalent mass. Okay. Now next time in this section I am taking some other example of equivalent mass and I will give you direct formulas to calculate it. मैं आपको डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला दूंगी कैलकुलेट इक्विवेलेंट मास को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए. ठीक है. सो आई एम गिविंग सम एग्जांपल्स फॉर दिस. फर्स्ट इक्विवेलेंट मास. सपोज if you want to calculate equivalent mass or weight of any element, then you will get the formula is equal to atomic mass of element upon divided by valency of element. Valency of element. This is the first formula of directly we can directly calculate the equivalent mass. Okay. So for example, I can take example. Suppose you want to calculate equivalent weight or mass of sodium. Then sodium, atomic mass of sodium is 23 and divided by its valency is 1. Therefore 23 gram is its equivalent weight. Okay. Another example we can take equivalent weight of, find out the equivalent weight or mass of calcium. Suppose करो calcium. Then calcium, atomic mass of calcium upon valency. You know about what is the atomic mass of calcium is 40 and its valency is 2 plus 2, so 2 to the 4, 20 gram is its equivalent mass. Okay. Next I am taking second formula, equivalent weight or mass of any ion and formula is formula mass of ion divided by charge on ion. Suppose I am taking example of ammonium. Okay. So find out the equivalent weight of ammonium NH4 plus. This is ammonium. So formula mass इसका क्या होगा? Formula mass कैलकुलेट करते हैं सबसे पहले हम. Formula mass of ammonium NH4 plus. Nitrogen 14 is atomic weight of nitrogen. Hydrogen 1 multiplied by number of atoms 4. Therefore 14 plus 4 is equal to 18 gram. Correct. So equivalent weight of NH4 plus will be equal to 18 divided by plus 1, 18 gram. correct? Just like this, we can calculate the equivalent weight of sulfate ion. Sulfate ion, suppose equivalent weight, third example. Equivalent weight, you have to calculate equivalent weight of SO4 minus 2 sulfate ion. Bivalent, it is bivalent. So its formula mass, first of all, we have to calculate its formula mass. Formula mass of sulfate. Okay, sulfur atomic weight of sulfur is 32 plus oxygen 16 and multiplied by 4. Therefore, 32 plus 64. It means 96 gram. Correct? है ना? Okay. Now equivalent weight क्या हो जाएगा? What will be its equivalent weight? Equivalent weight is equal to formula mass. Formula mass is 96 and divided by its valency or charge on it. Charge is 2. Therefore, answer is 48. 48 gram. 48 gram is its equivalent weight. Now we can calculate the equivalent weight of any salt. Okay. So how will you calculate the salt? Equivalent weight of salt. So third formula. Formula third. Equivalent weight of salt will be equal to molecular weight of salt and charge on metal ion. Charge on metal ion. So, for example, NaCl. Calculate the equivalent weight of NaCl. You have to find out the equivalent weight of NaCl. Then how will you calculate the equivalent weight of NaCl? First of all, you have to find out its molecular formula. Then you have to divide it by valency or charge present on the metal ion. Okay. So NaCl equivalent weight. First of all, we have to calculate molecular weight. Molecular weight of NaCl. How will you calculate the molecular weight? Atomic weight of sodium is 23. Number of atom 1 plus atomic weight of chlorine 35.5 and number of ion Cl ion 1. Okay, atom. Then answer will be, you will get 58.1 gram. Okay. Now 35.5, I think, sorry, 35.5, so 58.5. Okay, next I will take its equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of NaCl will be equal to 58.1 and number of metal ion present 1 or it has the plus 1 charge, so you can divide it by the charge present on the metal ion 1. So answer will be 58.1. This is the answer. Sorry, 58.5. Again I am repeating this. 58.5. Okay. 35.5 is atomic weight of atomic mass of Cl. Okay. Next I am taking weight of suppose you have to write the weight of calcium chloride ले लो. Okay. Calcium chloride of CaCl2 suppose. So CaCl2 का molecular weight of CaCl2 40 plus 35.5 multiplied by 2. Answer will be 40 plus 71, है ना? So 111 gram. Correct? So 111 divided by charge present on it 2. Okay? So 2. So answer will be, you will get 55.5 5. 2 5 are 10, 1 remains, 1 is left, then 2 5 are 10 and 1 is left, 2 5 are 10. Okay, 55.5 grams. Okay, so calcium, equivalent weight of calcium is 55.5. Calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. Okay, and its molecular weight is 111. 111. Okay, but its equivalent weight is 55.5. Okay. Next I am taking fourth formula. I think you have understood how will you calculate the equivalent weight of salt. I think. Okay, next fourth formula. Equivalent weight of any acid. Molecular weight formula is molecular weight of acid divided by basicity of acid. What do you understand by basicity of acid? Basicity, I show you number of basicity of acid. Number of H plus ions liberated by any acid is called its basicity. But one more, I want to clear one more thing. Basis, always we look basicity of acid and acidity of any base. What do you understand by acidity, basicity of any acid? Number of H plus ion liberated by any acid. For example, I can take example. Suppose this is the acid and this is its basicity. Suppose first acid I am taking HCl. Number of H plus ion is released by HCl 1, so its basicity will be 1. H2SO4. Number of liberated ion H plus ions are 2, so its basicity is 2. H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Number of H plus ion released by phosphoric acid H3PO4 are 3, so its basicity is 3. Okay, so you can calculate their basicity. Okay, now clear? Now for example, I take example. Suppose equivalent weight of H2SO4. Okay, you have to find out. So molecular weight of H2SO4 and its basicity. Okay, H2SO4 molecular weight of H2SO4 2 plus sulfur atomic weight 32 plus 16 multiplied by 4. 2 plus 32 plus 64. 98 gram. 98 gram is its molecular weight. Molecular weight of H2SO4 is 98 gram, and you have to find out the equivalent weight. So equivalent weight, molecular weight divided by its basicity, and you are watching that basicity of H2SO4 is 2. So you have to divide equivalent weight of H2SO4 will be equal to molecular weight of H2SO4 is 98 gram divided by its basicity is 2. Number of ions are released by H2SO4 2. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18. So 49 gram is its equivalent weight. Okay, so you can calculate equivalent weight of any acid. Okay, one more example. Suppose you have to calculate equivalent weight of HCl. Its molecular weight divided by its basicity. Molecular weight of HCl is 1 plus 35.5 is its atomic weight, 36.5 gram, correct? And equivalent weight of HCl will be equal to molecular weight is its molecular weight is 36.5 and basicity is 1 because number of H plus ions liberated by HCl is 1. So we will divide molecular weight by 1. So answer will be same as molecular weight, 36.5 grams. Correct? So its molecular weight and equivalent weight and molecular weight of HCl is same, 36.5. Okay. Now we will calculate. Next formula is fifth formula. Equivalent weight of base. Just as acid, molecular weight of any base and divided by acidity of base. Okay, in case of acid we look basicity and in case of base we look acidity. Okay, for acidity of base, for example, we are taking base, number of base, acidity of base, number of OH minus ions liberated by any base is called its acidity. I am taking some bases and we look their acidity. Suppose NaOH, number of OH minus liberated by NaOH is 1, so its acidity is 1. Okay. Second, calcium hydroxide, number of OH minus ions liberated by calcium hydroxide 2, so its acidity is 2. Third, AlOH whole thrice, aluminum hydroxide, number of OH minus released by aluminum hydroxide 3, so its acidity is 3. Okay, we take example. Now suppose calculate, question is calculate equivalent weight of NaOH. Okay, so equivalent weight of solution is equivalent weight of NaOH will be equal to molecular weight of NaOH divided by its acidity. Molecular weight of NaOH is sodium has atomic weight 23 plus oxygen, atomic weight of oxygen is 16 plus atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 1, 40 grams. 40 gram is molecular weight of NaOH and its acidity is 1 because number of OH ion 1. So equivalent weight of NaOH will be just as molecular weight, 40 gram. So molecular weight and equivalent weight of NaOH is same. Okay, so this is the formula. You can calculate the equivalent weights by using different formulas. Okay, last I am taking equivalent weight of 6 point. Equivalent weight of oxidizing or reducing agent. First of all, equivalent weight of oxidizing agent or reducing agent. Common formula. Formula mass or molecular weight of oxidizing or reducing agent divided by number of exchange of ions, exchange of electrons, number of exchange of electrons. If electrons are removing from any substance, then oxidation takes place, and if electrons are accepting by that substance, the substance is getting reduced. Correct? Acception of electrons is called reduction, and liberation of electrons is called oxidation. Correct? And if substance oxidizes itself, then it will be called as oxidizing substance. If it reduces itself, then it will be called as reducing substance. Okay, but if it oxidizes others, then it is called oxidizing agent, and if it reduces others, then it will be called as reducing agent. Correct? Okay. So oxidizing agent or other formula is equivalent weight. Separate formula, if we see separate formulas, oxidizing agent will be equal to molecular weight of oxidizing agent upon number of oxygen atom liberated by it, or equivalent weight of reducing agent will be equal to molecular weight of reducing agent upon number of oxygen atoms accepted by it. Okay. Our first formula को we see the first formula. What can suppose KMnO4 example KMnO4 plus H2SO4 gives K2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus H2O plus oxygen. 5, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. 316. Its molecular weight is 316 gram. Correct? Mn, oxidation state of Mn is, oxidation number of Mn is, Mn in KMnO4 is Kt valency plus 1 plus X plus 4 atoms and multiplied by minus 2 is equal to 0. So x1 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to plus 8 minus 1, x is equal to plus 7. So here plus 7 is state. Okay. And now we will calculate the MnSO4, Mn oxidation state, x and sulfate -2 has sulfate has valency -2 is equal to 0, so X is equal to +2. It means Mn is in +2 oxidation state. So +7 to +2 by accepting 5 electrons. Exchange of electrons is 5, and molecular weight of oxidizing reducing agent is KMnO4 molecular weight is 360. Therefore, equivalent weight of KMnO4 will be equal to molecular weight number of exchange of electrons. Therefore, equivalent weight of KMnO4 will be equal to 316 divided by 5 electrons, exception of 5 electrons, plus 7, it is changing the oxidation state from +7 to +2, +7 to +2 by accepting 5 electrons, so 5 divided by 5. .5 6 is 30, 165. Okay, 63.2 gram. Okay, this is the equivalent weight of KMnO4. Okay, clear? So in this way, I have told you about 6 formulas to calculate directly equivalent weights of substances. If whether it is element or substance or any ion or oxidizing agent or reducing agent or salt, or whether it is acid or base. Okay, goodbye, take care. Next lecture we will see, you will see. Okay, thank you for watching, sharing. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Okay, goodbye.